place is right now. Let me ask you a question. Why are you calling my girlfriend in the middle of the night?
Speak more clear.
Don't make excuses, boy. You tell me who you are. Don't deny it, boy.
Really?
You better tell me the truth right now.
You're ham?
Don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm so angry right now. You are getting me frustrated.
What?
How long has this been going on between you and her?
The fuck is this?
Oh, really?
What?
Knowing what's going on, no doubt. You've been pranked by
Oh.
ProStyle.com.